biological self-defense systems in animals. In nature, some animals hunt and eat other animals. On the other hand, some animals become prey. The relationships in which animals eat and are eaten form a food chain, and many food chains connected form a food web. Predators survive by hunting well. Prey survive by avoiding predators. So how do animals protect themselves? Animals have developed many ways to defend themselves over a long time. There is one interesting fact. No defense is perfect. When one animal develops a new way to defend itself, predators develop new ways to hunt. It is like a spear and a shield competing and evolving together. What is the best way to defend against predators? It is to avoid being seen in the first place. That is why many animals have colors that blend into their surroundings. This is called camouflage. A flounder that lives on the sandy seafloor has a color similar to the sand for the same reason. A chameleon can also change its body color to match its surroundings. When squid and octopuses sense danger, they release ink to block a predator's view. It is much like throwing a smoke bomb and escaping. Some animals, however, do not hide. Instead, they make themselves stand out. Why? To warn predators, "I am dangerous. Do not touch me." Animals that are poisonous or do not taste good protect themselves with bright colors. This is called warning coloration. The ladybug's bright spots are a good example. The skunk's black and white pattern works the same way. It signals that the skunk can release a powerful, foul-smelling spray. A predator that has encountered a skunk once will avoid similar patterns the next time. One bad experience can prevent the next attack. However, visible predators are not the only danger animals face. Invisible enemies, such as bacteria and viruses, also exist. Think about COVID-19. Viruses are invisible, but they can enter the body and cause serious harm. So how does the body stop these tiny enemies? It is the immune system. The immune system is a defense system that detects and attacks foreign substances and pathogens that enter the body. Simply put, it is the body's security system. The body has several layers of defense. The skin blocks pathogens from entering the body. Mucus in the nose and airways traps foreign substances. And stomach acid attacks many microorganisms that enter with food. This is called innate immunity. It is the body's basic defense system from birth. But what happens if an invader breaks through these defenses? That is when acquired immunity takes over. To understand acquired immunity, it is first necessary to understand antigens. An antigen is any substance that the body recognizes as a harmful foreign substance. Not only bacteria and viruses, but also certain substances and pollen can act as antigens. Acquired immunity is divided into two main types: humoral immunity and cell-mediated immunity. In humoral immunity, B lymphocytes play an important role. B lymphocytes recognize antigens and produce antibodies. Antibodies find and attach to specific antigens. In simpler terms, they are like police officers who remember a criminal's face and recognize the criminal when they appear again. In cell-mediated immunity, T lymphocytes play an important role. T lymphocytes find and attack cells infected by viruses and other pathogens. They also send signals that activate other immune cells. Animal defense systems are remarkably diverse. Some animals hide to avoid being seen. Others spray ink and escape. Some drive away predators with poison or foul smells. Inside their bodies, countless immune cells also stand guard without rest. Then which animal is the strongest in nature? Is it the largest animal? Is it the animal with the sharpest teeth? Perhaps it is the animal that quickly senses danger and uses the defense method that suits it best. In nature, attack and defense repeat endlessly. When predators develop new hunting methods, prey develop new ways to defend themselves. Nature is a vast arena where spears and shields compete. And through that competition, animals continue to learn how to survive.